Hi guys, this tutorial is solely for maintenance on Russwin lock and modification. This kind of lock is can be used as a office and store lock. And this type is a push button and mostly used in an office lock or classroom lock. Now the modification will be made that this office lock will be a storage lock, in which case the parts should be modified to meet the requirements as a storage lock, and the parts will be available on this kind of parts, and you can place it on the side here to lock this lever handle to modify it into a storage lock. And I found out that this part which I removed is like this. When you install it in this area here, it goes moving like this because it has been from a push button to lock. Now, in order to modify it into a permanent storage lock, what you should do, as I found out, you can invert this. So that it will be rigid from this side here, and that's it. Once it's done, and this will become a storage lock rigid. So after installing that, all you do is put the cover, and this is the cover. This is the cover. Okay. Okay. Now yeah, you see that means it locks from the outside, and this is free from the inside. Okay, let's close this down. Now this will be a storage rigid lock, in which case only one side will open, that is from the inside part, and the outside will be rigid lock. Okay, so this is from the inside, it's open, and from the outside it's locked. That is a rigid type. However, when this bolt is projected, that will be also locked from outside and lock from inside. So that is all for today, and this is exclusively for those maintenance which is mostly involved in repairing and modifying a Russwin lock. Thanks for watching.